beautiful people. So today's tutorial is going to be a very quick one. So I'm going to be sharing with you how I made a drape in front of this gown. So let's get into it. Here is the style inspiration for the dress. This is what she gave me, and of course she wants some modifications on hers. She doesn't want it to have all those things at the upper part. She just wants it exactly the way I made it. So quickly note that the center front of the drape is having joining. Therefore, I'm going to be cutting 2 pieces of fabric. Okay, so the length here is 24, and then the width at the upper part is 15, exactly 15, and then the width at the down part, more like an heel, like 15. The width at the down part is 18. So I'm going to be pleating it, then I'll join it. So first fold the raw edges of the lower part and the upper part, and then when you are done, you pleat it at the center. You can see I've pleated mine. I pleated it to length 6 inches. The length that I pleated it to is 6 inches. Then after that, you join the two of them together at the center like this. You can reduce the bulk at the center by trimming your seam allowance so that it can be flat. So when you are done with that, spread your skirt, the skirt part of the gown, spread it, and then place that pleating that you made earlier on top of it like this. You can see how it is. So we cut it in excess so that we can trim the shape at the side away. That's the reason. So place it, let it start from 1 inch below the waistline, and then you are going to just create your pleats at the side like that. Make sure as you're pleating it, let it be even on both sides. Whatever is going on one side should be the same thing with the second side. Place it as you wish. Like the length that I made mine at the side seam is slightly below the hip line, like 4 inches below the hip line. It's not up to the knee. You can see how it is. And yes, that's just it. Go ahead and stitch it together and continue making your dress. Thanks for watching, and please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Love you.